Dear friends, today I am going to start chapter 2 of geography. The title is Physical Features of India. Before delving deep into the physical features, you have to know about what are rocks and also what are the structure of the earth's surface. First, rocks. Rocks are aggregates of minerals. There are three types of rocks. One, igneous rocks. This rock is formed due to the ignition process, due to the fire, due to the solidification of molten rock material like magma or lava, and hence the name igneous. The important examples are granite, basalt, etc. The second rock is sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments by rivers in the river basins, floodplains, deltas, etc. Important examples are sand, silt, clay, etc., lime, etc. The third rock is metamorphic rocks. This rock is formed due to excessive heat and pressure in the earth's surface, and so the texture and structure of the rocks are changed. Coal changed into diamond, lime changed into limestone, limestone is turned into marble. The second thing is the concentric layers of the earth, the composition and structure of the earth. The earth has three layers. The topmost layer, which is known as crust or lithosphere, is formed by silicon and aluminium and hence geologically called sial. The thickness of this layer is about 65 km. All the continents and the continental shelf of the ocean are made up of this layer. The second layer is mantle. It is composed of silicon and magnesium, and hence geologically it is known as seema. Its specific gravity is 5, while the specific gravity of the first layer, that is of crust, is only 2.5. It is in molten stage. It extends from 65 km to more than 2,900 km deep in the interior of the earth. It is in molten stage, and so the crust, the first layer of the earth's surface, floats on the second layer like ice in water. When we keep ice in water, its 9 parts are submerged, only 1 part is afloat. Like this, the upper part of the earth's surface, floating on the seema layer, behaves like this. And the convectional current of the seema layer or mantle layer is responsible for the formation of tectonic plates. The third layer is Nephe or core. It is made up of iron and ferrous and nickel, and hence called Nephe. It extends from 2,900 km to 7,000 km deep. The first layer is in solid state, and the last layer, the third layer, is also in solid state. The middle stage, that is of mantle or seema, is in molten stage, and this layer is responsible for the movement or drift of the continents on it. Thank you.